na busia ne say Manase ka asem bi fa obofo ho enra o se obofo amani nua aye jimi ni nua no obofo nua aye jimi a ni nua no ofisika e de ma obofo na me hwe ba wo meka se ni nua bi fisika e de ma no wa bra ohu so fisika de ma no oh ensem wo ye keka to nkrofo so no mu me nyai me mpesa nipa no ye fake o ye fake ni fake na wo ye no Bible say sade we fake na obi na say anaso say ene me say obofo kra o wi nipa nam ene o wi nipa yam nsu na de ene obofo kra no menua ye fraw ne ye ka say obofo wi nipa nam a ubetime nya no yi wo for Bible tire nkrofo say wonu ma Bible say omo beye opataku omo ye opataku na mo mba dan omo se onyan na omo be wura sori dem na omo se ade no fa Bible fa kire na mmom no wo be ka kire yen se obofo enti se wa mani nua ye jimi a o da bi ne pa cho obi frame obofo miminim enti no ensema nanka honorable Kennedy Japan ni motive ni mission a wode na dwuma o ye abusu atie o asema me ke badwema fo ne beti ase so pese o two false prophet for ase no yina ye tainachi so that's here enti Kofi obofo asema me kan ye me kan se eye obofo se woko ni nua physical man de no kreni dan ye pahu. Now one thing that I know say honorable Kennedy Japan American all year no very fantastic ebusu any say or person two false prophet for say want me to ma se kra no a o manipa Ghana for ehunu ebinum suni bra mobo. That is what we all want. Nemmo no me tie dwumade ni kakra na ya personal bisa no. Oh, I don't have anything at all against Manase, but or they started with Pastor Love. Look as if you're on Pastor Love or personal score. Say, oh yeah, no, musimu oh, like senior demon breaker babekan, you know. Give us the facts. And only here personal scores and free. So be cool, so be any idea. It and damn some funky cancel. And most in some na walking in ano. A dear was sent for the we are not interested. But what I say, we are not interested. Me only in some for the catcher me. Some Mamma Canada, being unknown some for catcher no. Oh, what I say, and that is not what we need. And then you'll be a catcher. For example, Manase say, Abrana obi obano and yim omukunu, not our hobby. And no near person will catch a and no sign idea. One I will dear dance and power ho. Minka soon somehow can in I am true, but you look as if say a baby free baby baby will a destroy program in the honorable Kennedy Japan. It raise a bit of discredibility ever home. It the air can say obofo unim say yampa say obofo enua physical the man na o can say wo Manase only ye find say unuan apuruka woni na da empa ba ko so mo sorry a muyi aduro ana bosom efiri mo mpaase no wa kan sama guso eno ne de wo na wo se eto wodi wani ehunu wo practice ye ese mo mpaase mo daso wo wade but obi ne be kan sa akire wa masa untimi fa metra broadcast so wa bra unhwehwe mu untimi improve uni any evidence no man don't talk about that one because sabio untimi enka say yampa ye frewo ba ne ye frewo bofo ba why na ka kire so bofo nua physical de mano in as much as say nyansani bia de nani to fam obehu say enkrofo sika kura wo no mi no eniema bi hyehye akire ye nyansafo ye de adwere to fam a yetimi hunu yetimi tiase na mmom no ubekasa akire wiase nyina de a me kan kire yense ni nua bi physical de mano ohu ya na masem nyina no obofo oye fake Ben York or you fake. Ominano, Nyamia Juvan, oh yeah. Everyone knows and they can see. So wouldn't more and only a church. No mono. Ube, eh, Ben York. Oh, okay, or say Ben York rather not. Okay, so Ben York also on a damper back or so. Okay, say Ben York on a damper back or so. No physical man, me sorry, say man making mistake, but one of them anyway. And walk on one cemetery. So that's it. I understand from that, but don't come. Number 2. Yeti or no one can say you can fuck with you drew. Man say, Unya Yansania, the American on Tiasi, question be her, I won't even ask answer. So that's it. Open tea question. Yeti the or can fuck with you drew. But all. I
feel also for a Kofi Oduro, and I some Yamaman Trasso.
What is your problem? Your problem is my problem.
Yeah. Sister station, I'm telling some of our canals are so good. When you mean, who did you? Mamma Corner, Minko and Inco come upon him for Nigeria. Babu, and I'm a coy. Now, I'm Saturday. Anopa. Now, we'll pay a young from 6 to 8 or 9. Papa, name, I won't answer, could not be anywhere. Which now would a man will be. It's Saturday, and upon me call it. So for through a sort of Alabaster House, I saw the call. It will go through. I saw not on one cassava banning you, banana yere, Mama Reta, no honor. And on the soft for my console, one of the also about what you need to say, when you are on the swamp was it's only guitar microphone that very day. Was Shenika and the top
Fresh Prophet, I salute you. Oh, thank you.
It's so for get one shame come grab on Paya Mammy. It's your point, son. Your point,
Michael, thank you.
So for Kofu drew the year I found a rate and a corner chain. And I saw a rata. Make a baseka be blue. Now, and never be a my year. Ah, 8 dimina. Namina so for my person, but maybe swear it to an papa. Me do I'm
for the story new, me pacha white,
teeny. I'm assuming I'm here one of credit any deal. It's about it, we call office. Mamma, with a good woman. I am Mamma Rita, if you do wife. I am Mamma Rita. Mamma Rita, me chia baby, I will be a Mamma, we call office. Or let me do come 1-on-1, I wish I see and your blue couldn't be in. I'm a watch them. I see. So if says she's going to be fair with me, what you can want, she should say, come up and say this. It says I am a crayon drop, sir. It's really a mere office 1-on-1. And I want me to come to commodity and moon, no can say. We couldn't have master today, no. But Sunday now, Easter. It was the last year, was a problem. South Sunday, you couldn't have a bar. It's no bar. We make sure some banana. What do you mean, Achiano? If you send down upon the car, sorry, the car, so you may know. Then you may, yes, I call you. You go to here, a poor and a year. In our course, Alabaster, I want Tessano Gardens or because.
Please, are you also a pastor?
And I'm calling you church. And what do you call us already? But your Manasi,
I am the software. Why?
I just a man who call fear of when you come and yet that. The American something that was also near some for the same, you know, say that of a sort of Wakasa. Now, what do you, Papa? I'll bomb by a man. It's no person in the year. Papa, somebody coming some sort of food to young Papa because machine and some of Papa can. I'm really what preaching cheap on here. I'm going to buy with it. And you also got coming one because that time, I'm platform beer. Me to crackers, I didn't say now, Cosso, now can you pay any other? This minimum will be a Facebook, any person in here, Miniscape with your radio car, Miniscape with your TV car, and a book, Medina Literature, when I'm a young and make brand new money. Them say, my American introduction in here, Papa, and share me home. Said, I might yet be now, my yet changing or shed the one who will boom, Crobino. Papa, share me, so I say, now what dear, or catch you know. Now what dear. Pianam the baby, pianam the baby, I'm not fana, but so say, what the baby, Papa. Where do you, Papa? The Bible woman said, reading a book, what is that? So, some was coming over the bread. So, for Kofu, through the beer and the Casa and the Clement. Alabaster House, our Tessano. I am very disappointed in this man. So, friend was also far when you're so full. Where you're Pataku, and what do a damn woman have necessity. Sao or so your friend who said, but mammy pause her.
etiafe no waka na asema wie o wakyerɛ ne to no in person onu Kofi Odu experience a wonyaye ye na yate ne osi Kofi Odu ka kyerɛ no afi owie no ene osi Kofi Odu onye sofo asem ne ni o osi Kofi Odu onye sofo etu akyerɛ ye nie nti a Kofi Odu no ono ofi sɛ ade bi akoso ankoso yie ono na fam no but ye nti Kofi Odu ano asem nti ye gira de ono kan ye no so owie ye no osi Kofi Odu onye sofo etu osabe kan nsem ni bi aka ho de akyerɛ yen na afi ye na badwe mafo ya tena se so de ase aha entity
na before your prophet o ma kwakyerɛ asɔre bi what na wa friend harvest no kom koye programs mo mo pa o wo hye nkom ma kwakyerɛ fa we bra no wa jinkrofo sika wo ye ni nyina bi minyum ne pa tesa na ho na wo te kura no wa ma wanyi mo nyina metima ka kyerɛ no
abusia hwe mame pause wa ha o ka Kofi Odu asem masema bi bisa be manase ni se ne o ka fa Kofi Odu ho no eye enro Kofi Odu asem na o kan ana eye ne Kofi Odu asem na o kan because eye two things enei manase se ono manase no na woni apurukum nam no wadi bone a wotena program so sumye eti enna mi bisa manase se enna manase nam hoyi no omo pai oba ohu oba bi a wonyem omo pai ne yam yi nkola na na enne oda so te sa suban nim etitie mi nyansa se ma mi bisa yo eye enra Kofi Odu ana eye ne Kofi Odu because mu amunim prophet Kofi Odu ye de enim ne pa sa o pa asofo no omo ya azano a na wo ka ho ontimi yini hu mfrim na Kofi Odu was part of them. Kofi Odu ba London mi krom ha ebe ye program meni Kofi Odu tenase 101 say ye wo obeye program o ya sori mu at least be 1 month etimi hu no ni nyuma di obedi ye ne niema bi obeye ye a mimi dwan that time no credit ne kai ba kope onu Kofi Odu na anim se asema me kan ye no kre asori obeye wo mi wo ho enti enra Kofi Odu de no ya azan Kofi Odu asori dem ho etimi katre yen ewo program as I think it's around 2000 and if I'm not mistaken between 2009 2008 and 2010 it happens I can't remember it is Kofi Odu no buy no na o ye program no abusuafo yi Kofi Odu ehwenya ye tie sori dem ho yina anim e ka kire yen se onyankopon ene no kasa se sika ewo yan ye tia sori dem ho ye nyina ye ho no ye meyi sika no ne ye fa meto pulpit so efise agurade se obienyi ni butobuska na wonte so to London a me ko to Kofi Odu pepe mentia no wo so onyame se usika no ti wo bus pass yan ye de bus ye de ba sori no wo di train e ba ya ti wo train ska free se wo de cab na ba ya ti free se wo ti free mu a ne akaka wo hu bia no onyame se fa sika de beto pocket so Kofi Odu ani mu asem na me ka bi kire wo hey sa asem we ema me sorry free asori da mu opie ye ema enkrofo bi omu ni me sorry edi machi bi because I didn't like it me nim se nyame ne nkasa ye ema girl bi a ne ye program ye me pese me body ni na be hunu ba bi because me pese me ka wo so for corner sem na program na ye no a non-denominational program asofo ti program na say more than 20 as I make in a public more than 20 na enu achi no ena Kofi Odu e ka asa no lady biti asori dem ho a ono wako na asori program waba asori program no anase o ma sorry offering o ma to no lady na di asori sika no koto bank eti say sika no wo lady ne ho wo te asori dem ho bi waba sa program ni bi me wo hobi mi ti hobi na me ka asofo no ho me kwa na me ye MC wo program na se me kwa microphone na je na me order niema eti abro o ka asa no ena lady ne ka kire oba wotin say eh eni sika wo mi hu yi yen ya sori me ma sori ameko no ebi ameko Pentecost wa Pentecost fosika ena wo me hawo offering wa asori mani na ato no ene kura me etimi nya dan eti o ka kire oba na otin nchen no ena Kofi Odu hu se enkofo kasa ena obi sasa dan na ekoso ena omo ka asem no omo ka ne ketewa bi asema Kofi Oduro be kan say we de onyame na akasa mi ko tu Kofi Oduro pepepe curfew achiska no o se curfew achisika no ete ye Methodist fosika ana Pentecost fosika ana Presby fosika and oba ni free na sorry dem oba ya Kofi Oduro se curfew achiska no sa semwe enye obi na ka kire wo me wo ho me na me host program na I was there o se curfew achiska no curfew achiska no me ba me 46 mesa abaso bi curfew achiska no ebuchafo obi send me message bi me patch up me 1 second pe curfew achiska no etino me no ka say nipa kro no e dia memenenfe epeja sika no edi sika no ekoto mu e wo that time na wo peja sika no edi koto mu patch me ye dia me prophet nana Aaron we dia dancing was that's why we prophet nana Aaron. Prophet, I salute you. I was at the program in London, but Kofi Oduro is God's man. Asema ye kan, you know, that is all. Prophet nana Aaron was there. I think at that time Reverend Ayi was there. Meaning say na Reverend Kofa Jamfisu kra wo ha. There were a so for program na say. And Kofi Oduro be yes ah. Ebuchafo. And Kofi Oduro e be yes ade do program na say. Na obe yes awie no. Hey, ebudua. E den nsem siye. And in some pie by in those days, near your London had the yehu ye. And what she Prophet Kofi Oduro, Ebe Satia, sorry, Ewa London ha. Na me meaning say, the reason why the best Satia so nini nano. I poor no omobo at that time. Our who say, hey, Sikaba, your program you raise best 6,000, 7,000 pounds, one night, 10,000. And you know, says can I bunny na the more do. And you know. Obetima start here sorry how dey me imagine na me chire but I know say it is o dey say because I was there at the program and then Kofobi o say curfew ati oba ni sika no curfew nye Kofi Oduro a na minim say curfew etimi chiska eti o ye de na ye sika kogu puppet no so me man fa me dey anko bi nipa kakra bi a mini o man fa mo dey anko. What I say? Because me, I know, say, Yamene and Gazaye. Oh, David, Yamene and Gazaye. Any day, Oka James and Yamena Casadia, and an air on one as when Yamene and Gazaye. Any Yamiasem at that time. Oh, David, Mammy. Maybe some I repeat this as oh, at that time, into Pacho Mammy, 1 minute, Namembo. Kofi Oduro, minim Kofi Oduro. Oh, now sorry them. Kofi Oduro ma also for bi ba ho. Eno so ba ye no. Also for so kura master seed. Master seed no kofa free Israel de aba. Na all ton master seed no. Obon pai man na discover no ama bi. Was if master seed no. Ebi I say me fan say bro seed. Ma men kan say no ati ase. A bro seed was if I be to wallet him or your bar for be to bag him. Sika bebem. Eno so sa so for no Kofi Oduro asore no e ka kire obi se onko ne kaa mu sika bie wo ne kaa mu sika bie wo ne ho no on fa meto pocket ne so ni na na ya za but what the me na se enti na nya de a nyame bia na ne da kasa enti eye prophet Kofi Oduro de ye nim no from that angle. What I am saying is say ye nim no enti the question is say ni amanasi na all cover Kofi Oduro ho no then Kofi Oduro and now Kofi Oduro. He should have explained. But ujina so beka say one mame say repeating asem na me san to also in 7 doors. Mame say that mpachoti.
Mama wo gugu nkuro bi no. Papa no share me say na wo de o ka jere yin no. Na wo de obia nam ne ba bia obia nam ne ba bia na makofa na ba so say o de me ye papa. Go de me ye papa. Kofi Oduro e ka cha no wa. Bible wo me nsem say urade nyakopo tu na wo de say so se me boas na me come na me kan no great level. So for Kofi Oduro me bia na ka sa no tire me. Alabaster house e wa tesa no. I am very disappointed in this man. So friend who so for when you suffer. In fact, Manasik as we are very disappointed that. And look at the Rebecca's would come because we are very disappointed because so for the old call now a problem or how be near the idea be and but Kofi Oduro were reasons because see I'm no say you know
be assembly want to be mechanic, but me ko Ghana ko hu one-on-one. Ne life is at risk. What does the security say channel who send a message slow preaching no? Obi to say J Israel, was South Africa, Africa banana. Also no say what tighten the security because threat upon threat and because of message you preaching. Me and Kasa as a witness, those days me and Kofobi the year me or London ha minia because you be preaching the crowd, it comes sometimes with the price. So that's it. And it today na yen near a course war. Anything so I disappointed that I won't fault Manasseh, so I disappointed. Of course, so should the course on one obey disappointed. So should the course on one obey disappointed because at that time what is all pretty now called her. But could it be say Kofi Oduro now shower at that time no one? Now we are one of the assassins, a dear Oboboni no Osurana. And now Ebane saying, I don't know. A two dear honor and came able to say, oh, Osofo, 1 year, watch ya. You bet me I can send me a fan, but Tia do Osaka for the Falco Kofi Oduro, and I'm Pesa Utia City.
At a cook, and what would time woman, I said, Sao or Sophie, your friend, who said, Prophet Kofi Oduro. Not before your prophet, no, Mark, actually. I saw you what Tessa and my friend harvest. No, come programs more mobile. What shall come Mark, actually, for way, black, what Jim Profosica, or any levy. Meaning the bar. Just son of honor with your grano, or my 1 year when we have met my catch. And my one who suffered food, me Baba who's on your papano, and near mamma who want honor, and near my SCA, and drew many more. Would be from a body natural. I was young. And so I say, or Sofu Kofi Oduro, and near ma, Abeton and Nim, as a see ya all yet no, or no Manasseh say. Well, who are far or Sofu Kofi Oduro, no? That is a Manasseh say, or Sofu Kofi Oduro Begina ho, and a to Pabi the Obekobo in Samjem. A to Pabi the Obekobo in Samjem. Sana Kofi Oduro Nasokran to Pabi at the Onosubekobo in Samjem. Sana on Wasokran to Pabio at the Nebeko because Manasseh say, oh, ye tieni nano. Why ye sacramine and ordinary Yakatan ho, Manasseh Nanu Masamo. Eti Kofi Oduro eye tieni nano ono Manasseh ni say owo information eti asema na ye kanwa na akwes ono evidence ono oye part of it asofo no manante na wo kanu say watwa sa asem nim e ka say owo evidence enkrofo nsem ho de abre ono Manasseh no a e kire say Kofi Oduro eye tienu a sa ono so no atopa bi e de ne beko hell. Manasseh say what catch any no. Ejebusa for tia 7 years. Eti Manasseh be so tire. Mame pause. Eti Manasseh be so tire say. Se ya Kofi Oduro ye kasa na e masem. E ma Kofi Oduro anynyim wonum e wo tenas tesa no ho no. E ma Kofi Oduro anynyim wonum e ma Kofi Oduro ni omo deda. Entron kom sha wo hye. Abusafo Manasseh ye sure say asem na wo kan pa no kre se Kofi Oduro for the me say 2 years nie a ye nim ana enu 2 years papa a Kofi Oduro eye tie anani abre from stations to stations oye crusades e wa abontene se nkrofofo mo homa Jesus for the past 2 years nie me who say Kofi Oduro gira na asore dem yes onyame abiemani onyame atwame fonyini mawura sunsumu wiase fa osika beto puppet so me who say wo bad red TV so wo yabi ana wo yesie ne yehu ana wo de hyekokoam ene yehu enti sa Kofi Oduro eye prophet doctor on so bom ma no sa a yehu Manasseh asema wo kan ye o abusia na asema mi bisa ne say sabra make say no Manasseh nsem na wo kan no say eye de ono de na ne ehunu e na wo ka kire yen ana say eye de nkrofo ka kire no e go beka say my confused because edru ba bia ase wo ho say o se Kofi Oduro ho information abeto nanim eti hwan ankrofo bi ba o mo say obi she Manasseh ase e na opiepia Manasseh no say Manasseh abeka kire so o gi information abusia o gi information a obetima kire yen
nipa information abeto na nim which means say enye de ono de na ne ehunu enye de ono apurukum nante ye ni bia enye de ono ye friend say omo maka nante ye ni bia abusua at the moment here ye kasa yi no minim me who comment on my dey no so minim say if people are still commenting okay eti Kofi Oduro asema ye kan no eti say me bisa say obi hye Manase ase ene opiepia Manase na obi hye Manase ase ene opiepia Manase na obi dem Manase information no obi ena ka che ne say baby adru de onfa prophet Kofi Oduro din mewuram because ensem na wo kan de menu achichi yasum ensem na se say Manase aka no sa ensem we de me osofo abanametia no achichi masum because the way he was talking about Kofi Oduro no why you disappointed in him dear Matthias here but to say enne Kofi Oduro esan ene ma deda enne wo ya azan obun krofo na wo evidence wo proof the way they mesre Manase eye Wednesday so mo ba offer evidence ne mre yen emma Kofi Oduro wo se say ya wasakra na wo ye nyame adwuma yie no emma Kofi Oduro ni o ma deda no Manase famre yen abusia eye tie o mebu bodin kire yen se sa oba we last month oni Kofi Oduro kodai oni Kofi Oduro anyem we yegu he has to come and tell us that because se o Manase wo so wasakra ne o ye nyame adwuma mbati o ras good to gaze there o dia se wo Manase se wo so wasakra na wo ye unyame adwuma enti nkrofo ntie wa edenti na Kofi Oduro so wasakra nkrofo ntie no eti se wo sei daabi Kofi Oduro ye pataku ana odi nyanwi akata no Kofi Manase anu asem no Kofi Oduro eye pataku no odi nwi odwanwi edi akata no ho o ya zan sofo o ye tie ni na no atopa bi di odo so beko hell abusua eti sei no Manase nsem na wo ka no me pa chawo bibisa mo am wo so yinan yanjini anam yanjini o de yi anama me yanjini a wo say yes me yanjini a wo say no say no ni nsem no yanjini anam yanjini ehimfo na ye yes ni nsem na o kan yinan yanjini ehimfo na say no ni nsem na o kan me yanjini say no o ya say program no a butaya onobu Kennedy Japan e kan ko o ya say no o ya say dwumadi ebisafo afetie bi o tie
obi a weso hunu urade mra na nka media manante firi mi fie
ma na bi face
ka radio so na me ba na nka me no wa baptize na nka sofo makansem si akiro na mpaye bi mpo a wabba ma me e bia na nka me ba bewu e bia na me mra so na nka wa ma urade agime kwa sofo ne ka kirem se wo bia na me ba bia ma ko fa na ba so de me be ye papa me de me nin time sofo
enti e ba sa ne yire no de na oye
oba na de no ka so we say man sofo ma be fo no mo wara sofo no de bia edi bi na friends obi nim ye ya waje na ni so anu no wote wa wo su ma no ukuru di boni a pe mu ka kire no but omo ya no mo cover be ma no ma me ntima ka we e na me di nsuo e na me pie fi okoy me do get na me see cross am ka kire me ho say sofi e rade na ma me di me bere nyina ba be hu nipa wo ye sa wonye sofo ejimi nam ena jami de mesire urade mpaebo na hwe se yewra Kennedy Japan wo se won de otunu wesi wo de asofo nkwase asemti no asore kura no enya na kono
ebisafo tie o
asofo bi no majimi semti asore kura no enya na kono na yewra Kennedy Japan mo ma one year evangelist
ono no so a ojo akone Methodist
so we are about them baby one year evangelist one year preacher one year prophet one year bishop na so won timi ahwehwema wuri se Kristo sum se na ekoso na ne asempa na mi chini pese ke menye osofo na oni mi adwuna bomu no ankoye sa ne mu obi a otunu wesi wo se ono de onko sa asofo enu ono onu mpo na amakwan ama mete afidi kase so a mekasa de ora Kennedy Japan kompre kumbe mena papa the same bible ma wate ewrade tu ko ne no ma onyini che Israel nyame mo a wo hwe wo so o ma na kreka eni wanim sankosi wo wuom na wo che wo sofo bi wo che wo difo bi na wo che wo nipa bi abanim no wo sofo Kofi Oduro so ye sofo but wo pamo me cause na me ho ye ne time Yes, Bible say, yes, Christ was what Gansa Fono. Say, Ghana Bakoira, with Jadu Dono, not Korsha Bakono, but never cannot run home. Then Nakuma up to him. Trono Swaka said, so the boy you need Bakupe. Mamma, with a good woman. Wife, Mama Rita. She's a very good woman. Mamma, let me call office. Only me drink come one-on-one. I shall see. I see. So if says she's going to be fair with me, what they make one, she should say, come up and say this. It says I am crying drop. It's really not me return office one-on-one. And I want me to commodity and moon no can say. We couldn't have Saturday, no. But Sunday now, Easter. It was the last year was a program.
Why? Oba share the broadcast. Share the broadcast.
What do you mean, Achiano? It is sent down upon me, sorry. The course of a man, the number, yes, I call you. You could do a poor and a year. Nina, of course, yes, Alabasta, I was Tessano Gardens or because it is a poor number, and I'm calling you in the channel, you saw me, sir, and what do we call us already? But your Manasi, the American was some, not just a Mamma coffee, when you got when you come on the other. The American assumption was also near so for this, you know, say that, or the son of Wakasa. I was just a one child. It's no person, I was a Williams. Because, hey, bless a man into our home. Now, really, well, bless a man, she was near Nimunan. And who said, and your son got come a bonnet. Because that time, I made a platform beer. Me to crackers, I didn't say near this and Akoso. Now, can you pay near the home? This meaning will be a Facebook, any person in me, Minister could share radio car, Minister could share TV car, and a Gogu, Medina Literature, Bonami, Yalan, and maybe brand new money. Them say, my American introduction in here, Papa, share me home. Said, my year being my year changing or shed the one who goon crobino. Papa, share me, so I say, now, dear, or catch it, you know. Now, dear. Obianam the baby, Obianam the baby, and my cofana, but so say, what do you mean, Papa? Where do you mean, Papa? The Bible woman, some self, what is that?
Sasamia Manasi, can say, Kofi Odu catch and say, Obia Bikeke, no abba, say, on Van Mayan a banner. And then, a banner 70 a be our kind was in a very harsh way, Ojasia. Bia you could have find something else. And Umpono, I say no, Minyanjin to Munyanao, but I am going by what Manasi is saying. Ojasia, because Bia could feel do minutes or Kai incident and so on Kai. Fair enough. It is our same way, yes, ya. Nebia, oh, Osofo, where the 1 year, Osof 1 year cry. Odi young Fadia Manasi can, Osofu Debbie, Udia Cabom Pie and Pomano. Now the captain said, oh, penny back, Nanko on your uncle. Ojasia, aha, Bia can be Bisabe. But on also there be one yen is our mom pie and palmano. 18 Kahondia, Uncle you. But wait, dear, was you could feel draw a fake. Now for yen tears some of your can edit can fuck of you draw. And one of mammy who said, no, something is happening. Yan shay ya own, BBC, into the tea or cacao.
So some boss come come on kind of them. So who confuse do the beer and the guys as a time. Alabasta house, what Tessano. I am very disappointed in this man. And the Woody friend was also far when you're so for. Why you pataku? And what do down woman? I said to you, so for your friend
or say, so for Kofi drew a pataku and what do you young huma a friend home. Abusia, when you read the Bible, now will be your patakua. It goes more than that. Shajuma ye wrong. Me ametia ino enfom so me ho. Prophet na Aaron be won from so. Of course, me ama sorry maybe club betima ka akiro enfom so amaye won. But me nya pataku. Me nya false prophet. But enfom so wo ye ho. Enfom so bataye ina ye ho. Ubetimi aka ko archbishop ho. Ubetimi aka ko Methodist sofo ho, Presbyterian sofo ho, Anglican sofo ho say enfom so wo ye ina ye ho. Enfom so de ebi okra mood ade be hu sofo ne that time. Na ebi ayen sofo ne enkoye mayen. O just enkoye mayen kra. Enu ne betima ma ya ne bi a ensem fata. Of course, nipa bi amene o masan betima kamfom so bi amaye. E wo ye ne ina ye ho. Etu why you disappointed? I agree. So why you disappointed? We are disappointed in me, says of what I agree. So at that time, no my phone, etu you disappointed in me, I made say. But a lady, main tesam from swimming. But Manasi we no, and was say, Kofi Oduro ye pataku, or do you know dear Jano, and a fadia or cease to say or benanin samago. Nien tia was Kofi Oduro ye patakuno, after yentis and some be away.
Say prophet Kofi Oduro no before we a prophet no mark actually I saw you what test na wife and harvest no come programs mo power wa share come mark actually for we bra no wa jin krofo sika wo ye ni nyina bi minim ne pa
eno dia Manase ye na ya gitum enye wo na abeka akere yen asofo ina ya nim wo dia se ye nim ni sunim ni ban se nia wo Manase ni musunim mo ban no ye nim wo ye nim sunim mo ban Manase wo dia se ye ina se nim Kofi Oduro ni suni ne ban ani tinene no se Kofi Oduro so ojaye but wo dia wo se Kofi Oduro wo nyaye hono de ye evidence sa asem wo de ye mane ntimi na se Manase improve ankyere ne a na ne kire se enkofo hye na se eno mu promote no wo dia se no mu promote no. Oh yeah, Akosia Williams. Akosia Williams, thank you, Prof. Aban, for admitting that, for admitting not be a saint. Yeah. For any other crack, and from Swano, Ubenyan said that's enough for me. Oh yeah, Prophet be that Kobe, me Ubenyan from Swano. One, I saw for Benham from Swano. Yeah, Jumako, Yabre, ye Mapo, ye Nadam, Kofoyan Shan coming from Soya. It's different from saying the panway fake no pataku. But you own them and from so in I.
Just son of honor what you're crying. Now, my one you will
be catching and say, I be a Kofi Oduro first or yet, no. One yin and ma. Manase no seminal. One yin ma. And you jay. And yasam ketwa. A seven Manase person children bushia. One yin and ma. A yin ma answer and fata. F Kofi Oduro na SAO abusia was nkrofo na man information Manase so start no nkrofo dia ba se asofo binim na hye ne pa era se ne nsam ne no kura no a omoman di bi keka ho de Kofi Oduro se obeka ye pa de me nko masom de asesa asem ne me ya age adi se obi pa na pese was say Kofi Oduro entom di Kofi Oduro abeto list ne so na kante saa Anka Kofi Oduro niema oye ni ne brabo boy ewiasefo omo mushi na anim se onam sa kwan so bio eti se Manase nko a ehun se Kofi Oduro nam so na ya kan yina ne hu ye de a o mekere yen we de Manase me to challenge we de amount net 2 1 akotran ya ka sa asem no prove it fa kere yen oba ben na Kofi Oduro unim so na koda Sabre ya Kofi Oduro so ye tie ya na ni abria oye crusade ebo D4 atrofo na chi no bia D4 atrofo bi na be sha Manase kutu pami de minim na mom na wo so tumi be kire yen man no Kofi Oduro nam tesa no ho so no manyanyem ono omanyanyen adeda rough no wo so be kire yen
man wonu so Kofi Oduro no me ba be hu me hu so anya papa no ma me hu wo ne ho no eni niema esisi a aduru manim no or see what who or no ordinary who Manase we dia sema kan die why am ma di wo ya papa and near Manase is ordinary who hey ono ordinary who afa Kofi Oduro ho say emma ya togede or bomb rough. Number 2 or say dia ordinary so ate abeto nanim hey uye di agura tape bia obebu bo akere yen afa Kofi Oduro ho no we de Manase bomodin ana ye Manase say adwuma we won so wanya ensem bia wo ka bianga na for be discredit wo and as our platform na what is on net 24 no they have to Demon Breaker eba so or kasado ho people did not have any issue be about Demon Breaker wo but Manase take it be too personal mimi who can from beginning Obi ti say Pastor Love couldn't free nyame a one Pastor Love incident no can is too personal. Don't bring that personal involved.
Me asofo bi ho mo mpem but asem bi ba me twa ntronto mo so me manyini magini mo du untimi ntomadwene because of say nipa no ompe wa asem tira asem bi ba na okoka bi atia Ghana for pesa de no ompe nipa na asem etime ni Blessed Franklin na e wa asem ompe masem etine bi se da asem beto ho a ne maso ka masim anim na me dia fa ho di na tem uyesa na bi kurase ni uyesa na wanim bieye because asem ko wo sheda nimu. What you say? But a person settle personal score, you know, no, they are found good depending anymore. That is exactly what I am seeing here. And this idea, because Kofi Oduro then they interested. Because the dear old body did to a pruka, Ben York, no money. Kofi Oduro is not that way, cry. Or your angel, maybe to be supporting. No. But I want to know. They all can be interested, we want to know. And this idea. Then Manasseh will paid masters. Either Manasseh has a paid master or he has paid masters. I almost said kutupa. And because and some of the Canadian say on what in a near who Abusamuti or in a near somebody want to preach a crab or more why or say you to Kofi Oduro Babontia or so or preach a crab. Nature say on can fa Kofi Oduro enra Kofi Oduro no yanza no or kafa enne Kofi Oduro o preachy sem Kofi beba Jesus in China Kofi Oduro e hasan because on mad that or evidence in some about to turn him abusianfo why yentio o de me sabe repeat bi o de ti
see the American wasn't let us how many coffee when we come when you come na da the American asem chira so ni asofo ni say no ni no say ja obeso no wakasa na odo ye papa na bo mpae ma no nti na opese wo de ne ye wo papa me say me ni ka me so Kofi Oduro ye papa because me hwe nya me sema papa ne ka no na me the one wo preach chi boni anim na and who say and you also because come bonny because that time na me platform be a na koso na kanipa ni ada nya so fo bi my person ba na be so e chiro na nka papa me de ukunu eye me papa na nka obompa ya ma me na metimu sum nyame ye wono kore ani gidie mu ejo oba de me call office ma me no we good woman so Kofi Oduro wife Mama Rita she's a very good woman ma me de me call office oni me di nkomo one on one am sha se anya burukunum di nyina no bobo kire ma me no I see say if says she's going to be fair with me what they make one she should say come out and say this it says I no cry ntro sir it me na me return office one on one and oni me di komodi di enu mu no ka say ni kunu amma Saturday no but Sunday na ye Easter it was the last year was a plan make Sunday ni kunu ebeba enti no ba me make sure say meba na what do me achia no it is send down upon me kwa sorry e kwa so wie manwu no na nwumre ye san koye because do ye po ye na na yire ni na wo kwa Alabasta yes Alabasta house e wo Tesano Gardens ono because it ye po nwumre no e na me call na yire ni cha na yire so me nsa and what do me call no so ready me ba cho Manasseh de me kan ho asem e je some ha me ko fie no we be ka ko ku na mane na da de me kan asem chi so fo ni say no ni no say ja obeso no wakasa na odo ye papa na bo mpae ma nti na opese wo de ne ye wo papa me say me di ka me so Kofi Oduro ye papa because me hwe nya me sema papa ne ka no na me de wo preach chi boni anim na and who say and you also because come bonny because that time na me platform bia me to cracker say adie na akoso na kanipa ni ada ho enso me ni mo bia Facebook kanipa say na ni me ni ske ko tia radio ka me ni ske ko tia TV ka and agogu me de nam na twetwere me bona me yare na me bre na me huna mane them say my American introduction wie ye na papa ne share me ho said ya my ye bi na my ye chengelegi na o shed the one ho agugu nkuro bi no papa no share me say na wo de o ka tell you no na wo de obia nam ne ba bia obia nam ne ba bia na kofa na ba say o de me ye papa we ni me ye papa Kofi Oduro e ka tell no why Bible wo me sem say urade nyakopo tu na wo de say so say boas ma me come na me ka so Kofi Oduro ne bia na ka say no tell me Alabasta house e wa Tesano I am very disappointed in this man so friend who so for when you suffer wɔyɛ pataku na wɔde wɔ dan nwoma
abusa prophet o
saa ɔsɔfo your friend who say prophet Kofi Oduro no na before wɔyɛ prophet o no ma akwankyerɛ asɔre bi wɔ tesa na wɔyɛ friend harvest no kom kɔyɛ program so mo pa o wɔhyɛ nkɔm ma akwankyerɛ fa we bra na wɔgye nkrofo sika wɔyɛ ni nyina bi minim ne pa tesa na hɔ na wɔte kura no wɔn ma wanyi wɔn mu nyina metima ka kyerɛ no Emma wonu sofu Kofi Oduro no me ba be hu so anya papa no eniema ma hu won ho no eni niema esisi a aduru manim no udi agro boni nyina kire wo
eniema me hu won ne ho no eni niema esisi wo manim no eni niema me wo no udi agro boni nyina de akire mo eni Manasi ye di agro ni ye di dada Manasi agro ni de ye di agro eti be boni nyina fa kire yen abusia asofo ye nam ho no be boni nyina fa kire because bodada we men there Kofi Oduro and Kofi Oduro doesn't need to respond to this. Nobody needs to dare him. Ono no se nyame ne nakasa and afi o se enema ono waye no just e kan nakoma hye no etie sra wo be se nia wo bon crofo de be Kofi Oduro de ba ye pepepe. Oh, Akosia Williams, assumptions. Etidie na wo Kofi Oduro be ka tell say won mind da enye news ma yen. O be ka tell say Kofi Oduro wa hye nkomtro a enye news e ma yen. O be ka tell say Kofi Oduro ya azan wa jeje nkrofo sika enye news e ma yen because I am power ye. E ma asem de minim mi fa mani hu ye menkoche no. Na mom enkom hye pro ene azan de wa jeje nkrofo sika de ene de wa ye Kofi Oduro cannot deny that. Onu kwa Kofi Oduro e kan say ebusafo tie o Evangelist Jones so guso hwe me send video ni fama me Kofi Oduro say a obo kire me ne mentimi nyi video no but obo kire beti Kofi Oduro say for 20 years mistakes are wrongs are why no he is now correcting them tio Kofi Oduro say the mistakes are why no the wrong are why no e wo nyame adwuma mu no he is now correcting them. Etino dia wo kan de nya news ma yen. Nani asofo ye bebo mu di de kan sem ne nke wo bebre ka. Enya news e ma yen. Na mom se wo se wo ye pataku ni de. Wo di nwanwa kata ne ho no. Sa bre ya wo se wo correct wrongs no. Wo se wo correct ni mistakes. Wo se wo free de. This time ne de eno ne ye ka ho asami. But what you say? This time round, but you been commenting na me say my dear no me commenting side in your okay and I feel no me nyangum na obi amekere na adwen. It is abrede we don't even need you to tell us because onu Kofi Oduro na waka prophet doctor waka was say why mistakes a lot and he is now correcting them to near correct it. All correcting mu no. Manasi so me abeti as say twa connecting by or corrected ye uncorrected he because ono Manasi edina ne ahunu or evidence or betima be boni ma de akire yen se Kofi Oduro eye tie nan sa wono so no obu atopa boni a sa atopa boni no ede ne be ko hell abusafo Kofi Oduro so bu ntopa ne bi or so obu bi pa according to Manasi no anything no or evidence Manasi wo de esrew Kofi Oduro de fa be kire yen ya sem na etiti awon abusia medical ka se o entoko bi ho awon o mpe obi asem a me fa ni mewuram anani pa bi ya ade na enya na ade bi ho na onye ya me fa ni mbebata ho enya fine me de no medical ka obofo asem me obofo ya za asofo o didi na adwene ho o ye smart wa hu se Ghana for sabi ye mu bi no ya adwene nkoyie o de religion maye a o de bebu nkrofo e na o de ibu wonom. But don't come and tell us say ebinu o we de nya Manase ebinu say ai ene obofo o wi oba eyamwade obofo no o evidence fabre yen obofo ena afei obofo uhuni sa no ni nua wai ni jimi ena office kadema no in as much as say yenim se sika ekura obofo no no de bibi ka ho because sabi nye offering sika eni abaifo ku ni nko sika eniama hihye kire because 5 years a Japadia papa na ye no me who businessman bi otumi esa ne ma no bibi wo ho but e di enim etu se ne nua bia ye jimi no office card man wa me pa cho ye sure say asem na wo kan no kre And because of say ni sika nya ni mu na ye nte ase no e na wo de no ba beta again na a question ebio asembi senie ai e na sofo ma me pep donko e na sofo ma me pep donko onye nya me sofo oye beyie oye bonsam oye sei ebusiafo momi emfa de say sa se mo kan na mpa pep donko ye beyie oye bonsam pep donko onye nyame nyame adwuma na oye ye mfa ne sa. But asembi sane say it is a pep donko ye beyie na opese oyi improve on na beyie na oye ni mu a enti obeko yok any ye find say Manasi ho ana asembi say o se pep donko according to Manasi no ye beyie dada se beyie no o grade 1 na opese o upgrade ni beyie no a pep donko obeko Manasi ni yok ho ho no obeko upgrade ni beyie no no akwa no moja afinka wade ato ne yam me de asem na mi bisa o because sebi on se base ye kan sem a ye na ye wa adwene ye de dwene maame no oye bayifo ye nya ye nyintum so oye bayi ni bayi a oye no se ope bayi mu upgrade a obekọ sa ankrofo we ho ana asem bisa mi bisa wasem ya je atum pep don konye nyame honhom ni no so maame no oye bayi en wo de ye adwuma en akọ ye no hu se ya ampa Manasi se oye bayi ampa maame ni gitum so oye bayi na se ope bayi mu upgrade a obekọ sa ankrofo we ho ana asem bisa ubisa sa asem ya Ghana for no a oma dwiri mu omre omukro 1 kilobyte mind no monye no osofu nti wu defend maame no ade maame no wonye we yasa no wadwe mu ya ye jibi for. We are not saying that is not what we are saying. We are not defending maame no the air can say se pep donko oye honhom fit ni mu a Manasi any ya find say yoko and obekọ akọpe upgrade ayasembisa e trese sansem pep donko any sem na eba every baby na eba and obi ma Manasi information and odi be wurawuram abusia maame de onye o yanyintum sa but ensem woni pane kan de na bia titi asum Kofi Oduro onye but Kofi Oduro bubu atopa ene manyanyim wotesa no enye true o me prove nkire ye. Oh, this is what we say ya ho ye ho hwe me ka asem se osofo ye fake. I stand upon scripture no ma ka kire say wo se Nyankopon say ye be a quotation Nyankopon won ka sa oboa. I will not come and tell you, say, and my vision, and my for you. No, I won't lie. I will stand upon the word of God and say, based on scripture, they all can enter. Let us be truth and sincere. So when me was someone, me masamoba can ukraine woman. Also, dear by yan can ukraine woman. Masem now go to platform be say ye bo Mac Abandin or so for Macaban or ye say no e science what time mean no no call platform so or ye fake when a body sebi nyame mfre no because e your time and our dear side o nyame betua oka o nyame obetua oka because se won pe princess upon afrani asemo a na asemo ba adwene ho na wo ye badwe ma kan se ne sifate umpe oba ya twimu asem umpe nasem. Okay, fair enough. Obi am also say penasem, but asem na bana ye ka no mami unnim hu bi unti oba ya twimu anu asem but what gira ho na wo crucify no o dia say Ghana for pesa de papa me menti sa o no it told that me wan hwe wo say that hu me ye papa. Me truth is truth. It doesn't matter where it's coming from. Me can't transfer because of so you obinim. No. So obinim kranwa na wonye ya me defend na kaso wonye. But me defend na me kaso wonye ya. And no one chere say obinim wonye charlatan. Or ye charlatan but asam na de tono so no onye ye. That is honesty. That is honesty. That is honesty. Umpemasem fair enough. Umpemasem I it's okay. Enye ni pay na na be pay asem. Enye ni pay na na ni be gi ho. But at the moment, you know, we are sure. Say Manasi betima ka kire say Prophet Dr. Kofi Oduro e your pataku. And odi nyanwia kata ne ho. And asa bre prophet tita sa no and obo man no todwa. Ugu nipa ni mu asise because bom penasem. because maybe they be feel say a juma na wo ye e kan krofobia and to kwano so free baby na eba sa na ye de ehu no ye te akire ye nya jimi for sa wo enso to ye yante ade achi ye hu se foma fo munyai ye bubini mo hwa o mu no nya asem a o metima twini twan sa eti asem bi bana wudi wo mpe. They don't use their common sense keke no kran to ni pay e bia me mpe wasem woni me wo misunderstanding bi nanso no we de me wonye ye me defend you but me can be mam o de fair enough we will understand but so ba be searchiri now be ye hu dua buroni no akoso so jagum now wo say ni pane de you are evil, you are completely evil as anybody else. What is it? You are completely evil. We are very wicked. We are very wicked person. And no one seven American. Eti manasi adena o yene de. Almost some better to Apostle Papa Banks. I salute you, sir. Apostle Banks. Apostle Banks. Mame is a quasi my friend. Mame friend.
Somebody want to preach a crime. Omo wa yira mre obi a weso hu awurade mra na nka media manante firi mi fie na mate voice keke e radio so na me ba na nka me no wa baptize na nka sofo makansem si atiro na mpa ye bi mpo a waba ma me e bia na nka me ba be hu e bia na me mra so waje wonko na nka wa ma awurade agye me kwa sofo ne ka kirem se wo bia na me ba bia ma ko fa na ba so de me be ye papa me de me nin time sofo
enti e ba sa ne yire no de na oye
am sia so na me tiri so hu and because yes papa 7 there me kwa untimi number bi me fa me papa sa but it's okay but say bia wa mo mpaya ma no ye ne betima ka oh osofo enti ya mpa wa mo mpaya ma no sa oh minim say osofo set sa I know prophet Dodo will come and apologize but for you to say enam sa enti no what taking opportunity what the best personal score that make can be new what taking opportunity etino sa no a esie ni ntino we frase e bo papa na power abusia for that is evil minim say when you evil minim dey evil bi o da say we enye evil minim dey evil bi woni nipa no o manson woni nipa no e wo issue ana obi ni nipa no wo issue me give me say statement na manasi ye no see na ye wadwen ye de dwene ye nya nkwala ye nya class 1 for ye nyinyini say mpanifo ye ya busu apanyi no ye busuam na we abetena ho dabi untimi meto ya adwene sa ye nya toskes ye matured men we reason deeply what I say critical thinkers ye nya mofra sa wo ya adwene mu etiri se obi na pushi wa o ma pushi wrong masa what wrong meat. What chow wrong meat? Uni wrong meat story no. What chow wrong meat? Sa kona bra. Enye sa for evidence ne bra yen. Na me ye hunu se Papa Kofi Oduro prophet dokota de wo ye nie. Na emfa wa no metena ho. Emfa wa no metena ho. Ye ye sa dwuma ya che. Mumisa Kwame Favor. Kwame Favor, mu de mumisa no. Na oye presenter e wo Radio Focus back then. And I have been on the radio consistently talking about false prophet. Me obo be won me. Prophet Naneron only me from then. Apostle Kofa Jemfin ni me from then. Since 2008 on radio, I have been constantly. Prophet Collins from your friend is saying Spain. Osofu di Yesu hun komo. Osofu Simon Date. Me ami nuya osofu Imano Latakre to ahene. We preach against falsehood. We preach against falsehood. Our radio so 12 years. It moving wa mo bana matransfer and I would say moda grona mudi. Unim me, you don't know me. And yes, social media hakran kebi anka uhu me da sane we asenete. Odi ase. Ade enye for 12 years we are preaching truth. Eti entra ho e ma wo nipa de a wonye ye no. Ebia for example, Kofi Oduro akoji sika pen e yampa. Me amani tua wa ya azan e wa sori dem me amani tua me na me ka kire e yampa. Eti na Manase abeka sa asemu ya na ka me ba ya na maka Kofi Oduro de sa na otie o ni suban ya no oh woni ogigi sika woni man de da Kofi Oduro ya sofo no me yes na me ye kurasini na ma adwene mu ha na me ye mole ni na me nim nyansa. Why? Because time na me nim no ebepem this time no, at least there has been 10 years. 10 years of change. Woman asi time wa na mokofa apemfo mokofa opemini na mudi nro mo sei nipa no ene ye ne no we are the same person wo se there be wasesa koto de ne bodwe eti Kofi Oduro de wo ye camouflage na wansesa ya no problem tell us but me fa ho e ye personal score e me twantro Emma will be yo duomi empia watiko because she say kra wasai 9 na net 2 for net 2. This is a simple advice. Say mo anya careful a dwumadi na mudi mo be say no me enkofo frɛ me asofo nsem maame no nsem I membo ba kokra so osofo we oha ni send me pictures oni we yakoda oni we I say ni de menua mentimi me kan no ho asem me program, so I am not there to destroy anybody. So ka kire me say osofo no wagye wonsam sika uni wunua nkasa watete mu ntamu a aha wose nyankopon say ni de abeka ho asem. So that's it. Eti mama mo nyesa na mama mo fa nsai niema ompe Kofi Oduro asem e bia asem bia ba atwam eko. Let it go. Ghana for him how to settle matters. Ye do na Ghana for yen do one. We don't know how to let things go. One me ye enya adwen. Obi say o invite me ma me preach. Ohum yon kasa me ho. Adan a o se me say nyame adwuma. Okay, wo adwen no. Me say no kwan be so a. An esa wo be nkrofo hu fake kra na nkrofo nkwa asori bi. Wo adwen no. Eti sa adwen da utim no. Adenti na hum ya untimi nchia me. Me nti ase o. We are suffer. She said, and na man kofoka say, "Okran, you don't have love." Osi mi preach bibi wani nje ho. Na nka bi so kan say me adwane o twene kokue wo nwuram. Obo drum na masa anya say me jibi for say wo kan ya na me di akiri. She say me de me ni adwen. Sa so na de wo so ye no me mani nye ho. But the fact say me mani nye ho ne nkire say me to me ntimi nkasa ho. E bi say, "Oh, ma bena poku etisan bibi aboko me ntimi nchia." Then you are weak. Mon krofo we na mudi asore ni mo sa enema. You are weak. Why do you more ha? Why not? Who preach love? Miss me preach falsehood. We are all preaching. Who so the any me na me preaching for Bible no na because e kotia unti wani nye ho no. Adenti na wuntia me. Me obi ni me hu na mechia no. Oye nipa oye Ghana ni. Me hu obofo mechia no. Oye nipa oye Ghana ni maintain no. Na ne nwumadi na wo die nam so onya nyame din na wo di atro no no nkire nkrofo se bia woni bosom na ye adwuma no onkom ne se de Kofi ayi kwakubu nsam kom Kofi no onya bi me masem ina no eno nkire se metan abushafo. You see a simple simple yama glass na LV LV say LV do ni ma de kro LV o ma kire ba bia meto no but what dey say Mami say Prof Aban, he never said he's occultic. No, you occultic question. Or say or ye pateku ana ye Christopher no ka pateku or say ye fake na numa sema wakana no or say ye pateku oye pataku Kofi Oduro oye tie no nyame adwuma bia no oye na you don't need to be occult to be fake. Bebre na ye fake but omo nya occult. You have to differentiate between the two. You bebre ho a omo ye fake but they are not occult. Onko occult da onko je aduro da but oye fake. Obi o nya aduro bia no ode ye adwuma onko obosom so da but oye azan first class oye fake. And onka se Kofi Oduro ko occult but also Kofi Oduro eye fake. Osi Kofi Oduro eye ye fa say pataku ye pataku no pataku in Christianity so because you wolf you are even more than fake. Wolf in sheep clothing sana manase ka kire no patwa te de meje na se enti no ye ne de so ye tie na wani nye ho allegation na wo de ato no so no eno na ye pese wo settle allegation de man abusua oba share broadcast no so ai ne yen hwe ne yen kan wasem nyame adoma enanumre pepe about 6 UK 6 o'clock and about Canada 1 o'clock eye midua eye Apostle Anthony Owusu obeba life ebusha for mon kwana mon kohwe no ai a very good man. Apostle Anthony Owusu about 6 o'clock UK ha is a 1 o'clock Canada time one epacho ni din odo Facebook Anthony Owusu mon kwana mon kohwe no a very good man. Enne ho asem na make enne numre oba Tuesdays and Fridays 6 o'clock and now 1 o'clock 6 o'clock UK time and now 1 o'clock Canada time. What I say Anthony Owusu menu ano no
what do me achia no
abusha
it is send that sorry
hwe se me no ka say menua Emmanuel Atakre to ahene me hwe ni din na wo so na me de abo akire ohene ba ke atu ahene ohene ba ke atu ahene minua pa menini na de call Bible school the same Bible school am call ye no ye wie the same year ye ne apruka ene tena school dem 1 year apruka etino me ye nim apruka ma wosofo nka apruko nkire Ben York ye junior wo the same Bible school o just say eno nkire se obekase ye yina asa na ete minimi nua wosofo Atakre to ahene ye tra London radio so for about 4 years and ye expose falsehood ye preach ye kasem wosofo ha etimu amosori amose adamitie program bi obi say Avram bi Moshe ne fira se wo kan wosofo wasem se mo de omo na omo ye nkola 19 18 afi no mo ba obi a wonim me ma bena pokuya nom omo woso omo hwe minimi nua Emmanuel Atakre to ahene eni yesomu falsehood azan kwamhye Joshua J eba London say Joshua J be kese yen minimi nua so Atakre to ahene and those days radio focus from penny for free yen and omo free Joshua J and omo free me osofo ameti hei enimi nua ohene ba Atakre to ahene omo free yen kwotena ase Joshua J say obey your complaint because enkrofon ton oil no ye ne am enkrofon ton oil nti yen tan no and the radio focus say Joshua azema kan di enkrofon mu ntan wo because before say wo beba London no mu preach say preaching we etiwe de uti na anya ye ene ne wasam na besia eni nti no obi antan enti ye start ya che ema Joshua J e de osoro agrada so de boye ndua atetenda e de asi yen so se menimi nua wo so for Atakre to ahene ye wu no ntimi ton ne oil o de na wafam mumu binu mo ha ehu eti se ye obi a ye nim nyame ene hu hye ye so a obi a ye preach a akodo ye nkrom wo de Jesus ene binu wo mo de Jesus no ho no mo de nkokora soso obi wo de abrante asoso wo de aso ni Jesus ne soso ni ye ti krom ha ni ye preach a sa nipa kro no sa we wo so wo ye nyame adwuma preach ma Jesus eti mi ka kire se ye mpamo me emfiri ha me ye mpamo me bajo de azie yem pamo me emfiri ade yi so ne yemma how do you call it ye pamo me a ne yemfa me time no yemfa mbo hip life unimia the things that we've gone through any threat ahodo and we still say that we will preach truth till that kingdom come ultimate change your message what I say also for the credit they are told o see ye bewu mo de mo hu hwe mona no eti Manasi onya de oye no osofo Erika Janim e frame osofo Erika Janim e frame amehe mehe mamehe se minyanoa abusia yadi yabreo preaching truth enye ne so preaching truth enye ne etino Manasi de ensem na wo kan de debi o ya say program na net 2 for the ato omo so no so o ya say program no